to the 7 centimeter from the sleeve hem, 11 centimeter for the first pleat, another 7 centimeter, and 11 centimeter for the second pleat. So you can have like this. So you have a little bit longer space at the underarm. Hi, I'm Jean. Welcome to Pattern Studio 101. In today's lesson, we're going to draft the sleeve and collar pattern for this offshore design. Since this garment doesn't have a traditional sleeve cap, the sleeve drafting method is a little bit different from a regular satin sleeve. We'll use body armhole measurement to create the sleeve shape, and I'll show you how to match the front and back armhole length correctly so the sleeve can be sewn smoothly onto the body. This design also has elastic around the upper sleeve area to give more mobility and comfort. So we'll talk about how much ease to add and how that affects the sleeve shape. The sleeve itself is very long and includes pleat details along the inseam. So I'll also show you how to calculate the pleats intake, spacing, and inseam shaping step by step. And after the sleeve is completed, we'll move on to drafting the collar pattern, including how to calculate the neckline length and sleeve opening connection correctly for this off-shoulder construction. Okay, let's get started. This is the body pattern we drafted last time. To make the sleeve pattern, we need to measure the armhole length of this body pattern. Since we all know this blouse is off-shoulder, there's no sleeve cap area. So for the underarm area of the sleeve, we're going to measure this body armhole. And for the bicep area, we're going to measure it from the body. As you can see, the sample on my Judy, the top edge of the sleeve, start from the front cross-chest point, wrap your arm around, and ends at the cross-back point of the armhole. I got 21 centimeter, but I don't want to make the sleeve exactly 21 centimeter. Then when I lift my arms, it will be restricted. I'm going to have an elastic around this arm or shoulder area to give more mobility. So plus 3 centimeter. So it is going to be 24 centimeter for my example. Okay, let's go back to the body pattern. Let's measure the armhole. For the back, this is 5.5 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. And this curve is 8.4 centimeter. The sleeve armhole length should be the same as the body armhole length so you can stitch them up together, right? Okay, for the front, this is 6.5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. And the front armhole curve is 10.7 centimeter. All those numbers are from my example pattern, so yours might be different. Draw a line. This is 24 centimeter, which is the length of the top edge of the sleeve here. So I'm going to draft the back armhole here and the front armhole here. Extend the line 5.5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. You can draw the back armhole curve. Even if you have the same depth and height with the body pattern, the curve doesn't have to be exactly same shape, which means the curve length can be different. Once you draw the curve, if this length is not the same as the body armhole, the back body armhole, you can move up this point or move down to make the curve length same as the body one. So this is the sleeve back armhole. Okay, let's move to the other side. This is going to be the front. Extend the line 6.5 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter, just same as the body for now. And you draw the armhole curve. Same idea. If it's shorter than the body, you raise up this point or lower the point to have the exact armhole length you want. So front armhole is done. And then you're gonna connect these 2 points. This is going to be the top edge of the sleeve. It will have elastic of 21 centimeter. Find the midpoint of this whole bicep. Extend the line to the top and the bottom. Sleeve length is 94 centimeter. It is very long. And we are going to make a pleat to the sleeve inseam. I'm going to rotate the pattern. Okay, then the sleeve hem. Sleeve hem is a little bit curved, so I went up 8 centimeter. Sleeve hem circumference is 56 centimeter, so 28 centimeter on one side and another 28 centimeter on the other side. So this is 56 centimeter. And you draw the hem curve. If you see the sample, it looks like this. So it is curved. And you draw the inseam lines. So this is the sleeve pattern. And we need to make notches where the pleat should be. First, you need to determine the inseam length. The inseam length is from the underarm point to the sleeve hem. So for my example, I'm going to make it 36 centimeter. And this inseam length for now is 80 centimeter. Then 80 minus 36, I need to remove 44 centimeter. Then next, you determine how many pleats you want to make. Since I have to remove 44 centimeter, I'm going to make 4 pleats. So then one pleat is going to be 11 centimeter. Okay, so then where you want to make pleat? So my inseam, the final inseam will be 36 centimeter. And I'm going to have 4 pleats. If I make these pleats evenly, I can do 36 divided by 5. You know why it's 5. When you have 4 pleats, the distance between them is 5. So 36 divided by 5 is 7.2 centimeter. So I'm not going to go crazy with small numbers. So we'll go just 7 centimeter. So the 7 centimeter from the sleeve hem. 11 centimeter for the first pleat. Another 7 centimeter and 11 centimeter for the second pleat. So you can have like this. So you have a little bit longer space at the underarm. You're going to mark both sides of the inseam. So the sleeve pattern is done. Okay, collar pattern. This is very simple. It's going to be just straight. This is the front neck, 14.5 centimeter in my example. And this is the back, 22.8 centimeter. You know this is the center back. Even if we are going to make elastic smoke, we need this stretched length. And the last we need this sleeve top edge length, which is this one. We know this is 24 centimeter before elastic. Okay, so draw a line. And the collar height at the center back, 14 centimeter for my example. We're gonna draw the neck length like this. Make a triangle. Not this one. This angled one will be your neckline. Should be the same as your body neckline. So let's calculate how long it should be. We have front 14.5. I need 2 of them because the collar should start here. So you can make overlap like this. So you need 2 front length. So 14.5 times 2. Plus the top edge of the sleeve, which is 24 centimeter. And the back, 22.8 centimeter. Because 2 collars meet exactly at the center back, so the same length as the body pattern. So in total, this is 75.8 centimeter. This is the length. Then you fix this point and swing the ruler until it hits the bottom line. So this is going to be the collar. You're going to cut this, 2 of them. So this is 14.5 centimeter. So this is going to be the center front. Another 14.5 centimeter. So this is going to be the front, like a cross chest. And this is going to be the sleeve, 24 centimeter, but it will finish to 21 centimeter with elastic. And this should be 22.8 centimeter, same as the back, but you're going to have elastic smoke at the center back. So we completed the sleeve pattern and the collar. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a wonderful week. See you next time. If you want a more structured way to follow along, I've created a technical library based on all my YouTube lessons. Each video comes with a PDF version, so you can build your own pattern making reference library over time. Visit my website, patternstudio101.com, and become a member. You will receive the written instructions each week, so you can follow everything more clearly. The link is below this video.